Halo teman-teman, apa kabar semua? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semoga kalian selalu dalam lindungan Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala dan selalu dalam limpahan rahmatnya. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Kali ini saya akan melakukan perjalanan dari kota Takengon menuju kota Medan Sumatera Utara. Jadi harus siap-siap ya teman-teman ya, karena perjalanannya lebih kurang 12 jam dan kita akan melewati beberapa kabupaten seperti Kabupaten Bireuen, Kabupaten Aceh Utara, Kabupaten Aceh Timur, Aceh Tamiang, Langkat, baru Medan. Untuk itu jangan kemana-mana, saksikan terus channel Putra Bagasta, jalan-jalan, makan-makan, wisata, tutorial.
It's the end of the month and the weekend. I'm Everybody jump up, 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 jump up. Everybody jump up, jump up.
grow it up. Start looking like Miley. Start looking like Miley. Start looking like Miley. Start looking like Miley. Grow it up. Start looking like Miley. Don't. I'ma try to do the things that you don't. Baby, it's your party, I just wanna play. What's that sound? What's that thing that's got me like wow? I'm tryna beat it up 12 rounds. Girl, look at that body, I just gotta say. Bring it back it up and you drop it down low. When you pick it up, girl, I'm ready to blow. I'ma stack it up and I'm spinning it low. When I grow it up, start looking like Miley. 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 Looking like Miley. Start looking like Miley. Looking like Miley. I'm stack it up and I'm spinning it all. When I grow it up, start looking like Miley. Start looking like Miley. Looking like Miley. Start looking like Miley. Looking like start looking like Miley. Start looking like Miley. Looking like hey girl, it's your song. Let's see that don't. I'ma try to do the things that you don't. Baby, it's your party, I just wanna play. What's that sound? What's that thing that's got me like wow? I'm tryna beat it up 12 rounds. Girl, look at that body, I just gotta say. Bring it back it up and you drop it down low. When you pick it up, girl, I'm ready to blow. I'ma stack it up and I'm spinning it low. When I grow it up, start looking like Miley. 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 Looking like Miley. Start looking like Miley.
up, better DJ bring it back. Gotta DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back, bring it back, bring it turn it, bring it back, bring it turn it, bring it back, bring it turn it, and I shoot again, tell them that you like that, like. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back, bring it turn it, bring it back, bring it turn it, bring it turn it, bring it back, bring it turn it, and I shoot again, tell them that you like that.
world with you gone. The joy and the chaos, the demons were made up. I'd be so lost if you left me alone. You locked yourself in the bathroom, lying on the floor when I break free. I pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming, please don't leave me? Hold on, I still want you. I don't wanna let go. I know I'm not that strong. I just wanna hear you saying, baby, let's go home. Let's go home. Yeah, I just wanna take
Oke teman-teman, alhamdulillah kita sudah sampai di kota Jedag-Bireuen. Singgah sejenak di pom bensin untuk rehat sekaligus isi bahan bakar. Soalnya sudah 2 jam lebih perjalanan yang sudah dilalui. Sampai di sini dulu video kali ini. Ikuti terus perjalanan kita full trip Takengon Medan. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.